Let's talk about eliminating waste using Scrum. One of the foundational elements of Scrum is lean thinking. One of the core objectives of lean is eliminating waste. The pillars of Scrum, transparency, inspection, and adaptation all support the elimination of waste. The question becomes, how can the built-in features of Scrum be applied to eliminate waste in your team? The product owner is responsible for creating, clearly communicating, and ordering items in the product backlog, which represents the needs of the stakeholders. The product backlog is transparent, always visible to the stakeholders, who provide input into ordering of the items. This is how Scrum eliminates the waste of building unnecessary features. Unfinished work represents waste. If work isn't finished, no value is delivered. And if no value is delivered, the investment of resources expended results in no return. Your team has arrived at the sprint planning event and is ready to select stories from the product backlog for the new sprint. Based on their historical velocity metrics, they consider candidates for planning from the top of the prioritized product backlog. They review the candidate stories and determine that one of the stories doesn't satisfy readiness criteria for implementation, pulling in ready stories as a result. The team then works with the product owner to refine the sprint goal based on the selected backlog items, plans the sprint, and commits to meeting the established goal. This is how Scrum eliminates the waste of unfinished work. So use the Scrum Framework to stay focused on eliminating waste. Keep your product backlog prioritized and transparent. Work closely with the stakeholders to ensure accurate backlog prioritization. Empower the development team to own the sprint backlog. Don't start work on items that aren't ready for implementation. Start with the intent on finishing within the sprint time box, and embrace the definition of done and plan all of the work necessary to deliver a done increment.